Hello, I'm Pedro Macias, a dedicated and detailed-oriented virtual assistant, committed to helping individuals and businesses streamline their tasks and enhance productivity. With 2 years of experience in customer service and digital management, I offer a wide range of services to ensure your operations run smoothly and efficiently. I specialize in customer service, providing excellent client support, responding to inquiries, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Social media management, creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with your audience across different platforms. Research and data management, conducting market research, compiling reports, and organizing essential business information. As a virtual assistant, I understand that the importance of time management, confidentiality, and professionalism. My goal is to take on your repetitive or time-consuming tasks so you can focus on growing your business, strategizing, and achieving your goals. I am highly adaptable, tech-savvy, and always eager to learn new tools and systems that align with your business needs. Whether you need ongoing support or assistance with one-time project, I am here to provide a reliable and patient virtual assistant. Let's work together to optimize your workflow and make your business operation seamless. Let's connect and discuss how I can support you.